What's up, everybody? I'm going to go ahead and talk about Carnivero. They're having a Memorial Day 20% off sale on all of their exclusive plants. Got some really cool stuff right out the gate. They're bical Colorado orange red. So this is their enormous one. I don't know if you've ever seen their website, but documentary film thing they got. But it's an enormous one. This is an offspring of that to the left there. This is one of their many absolutely gorgeous VTIs. You will see a lot of VTIs offered in this sale. They are very well known next to Red Leaf Exotics for having an amazing VTI. Truncata, so this is the Patient JB or Giant by Patient Red. So those big, beautiful one that I have. This is the small version of that. I've got multiples of these. But $24. I mean, it's going to be a small plant, but you can't beat that price point. Some more of their gorgeous VTI. That's Marood by Candy with Cobra in it. Going to be phenomenal. This one over here, I can't even get enough of. This is Song of Melancholy by Clipiata. Josh from Josh's Carnivorous Plants is actually selling one of these large, but just look at how beautiful. I mean, absolutely a work of art. The color of the leaves, the midrib, everything about it is absolutely gorgeous. And of course, that picture is just phenomenal. I've always wanted to get one of those. I don't know what stopped me. Another one of their VTI 5 by Pink Candy Cane. I'm not going to go through everything just because it's about 6 pages worth of plants. I'll go through all 6 pages with you here, but not in details in each one. This is a Naga by Truncata Giant. You're going to expect some really, really tall, slender, very dark pictures with that really cool Naga peristome, and maybe even get that dragon tongue lid. You got a Truncata D by JB over there. Some more VTI. You got a Basciana by Cobra. That's going to be unique. All right, see what else we got here. Some Ventricosa. So this is that Marpesa by Clipiata. I have this one. This is the one I always show. I love this plant. As you can see, there's a lot of genetic variation in those plants. The ones they have look a lot different than mine. But at $20, I mean, come on, you cannot beat it. Absolutely gorgeous plant. Right now mine has juvenile pictures on it, but I cannot wait to see its grown-up pictures. A Truncata D by F by 1 by M by 1. It's a mouthful, but you got an LVB by Clipiata there. Mirabilis Econostoma. And then these are some more of the lowland pictures. Let's see, some more VTI, some VTI Platykyla. Always going to be beautiful. Let's see what else we got here. This Ventricosa Denver by Truncata, I have it. It has not done terribly well for me. To be fair, though, I haven't really given it the best conditions. I will say that it's pretty bulletproof, though, even though it's been mistreated in my previous grow tent. It has held up well. If I give it better, maybe another repot, it'll take off for us. Next page. Look at that Rocco Basciana VTI. Huge, tall peristome, beautiful. There's that Nepenthes Ventricosa Maja Oz. Look at this one right here. Maxima Campanulata Northiana VTI. Look at the parentage on that. Look at that Northiana VTI. Can you talk about a peristome or what? $20 price point on that. I mean, come on. It's going to be smaller plant, but man, $20 for that beautiful Nepenthes. Great deal. Some more odds and ends here. Like I said, I'm not going to go through all of them. We would be here all night. So many beautiful plants. Carnivero does a great job with their breeding program. Let's see what else we got here. Truncata Campanula by VTI. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous. VTI Platykyla. Always going to have that huge long neck. Who knows what the uppers are going to look like. This Splendidiana by Redonculus. So that one picture that I always have is so beautiful, like sunset colors. That's the Splendidiana. The Redonculus they have is just really big peristome with tons of stripes. That is going to be a winner for sure. This Marpesa Truncata, this is the other one that I love, that I always show. Such an easy grower. The Marpesa essentially is like I can't really find the exact parentage, but it looks kind of like a Miranda almost, but it's such an easy grower, very rewarding. I highly recommend this plant, and at $20 a price point, I bought it small, and it's already, I mean, who knows, 10 inches. I'm looking at it right now, probably 10, 12 inches across. Truncata campanulata by Clipiata. I actually own this one too. It's still an itty bitty plant. It has been a very slow grower for me, but look at those pictures. It's going to be well worth the wait. I cannot wait to see that muted sort of pink. Very excited to see it. Some more here. Let's keep on going. A lot of Ventricosa crosses, always a welcome addition to any collection. Keep on going. There's one here I'm super excited to show you that they got back in stock. I'm sort of speeding through it so I can get to it. Right there on the right, that Veitchii LL by Sumatrana by Platykyla. I just made a video about this. This is the one that had the two siblings that look totally different. This plant is going to be enormous. It is going to be striped and it is going to be beautiful. It is the Veitchii lowland that they have is one of the largest in their collection. The Sumatrana is going to yield tons of stripes. $24 price point. They just got that one back in stock. I don't imagine it will last very long. Super cool. I sound like I'm selling for them. I'm totally not. I just have these plants. I'm stoked about it, and I know you will be too. A lot of really cool. The Lowii Veitchii red ruffled. Red ruffled puts a lot of cool, big flared peristones on there, and as you can see, it gets its name because it's all ruffled with that gorgeous candy striped peristome. Can't go wrong there. I think that's about it. We'll go through a couple more things here. Like I said, there's just a ton to look at here. We could stay on his site for a long time, but I don't want to do that to you. Carnivero Memorial Day sale, 20% off all of their exclusive plants. I highly recommend you look at this, take advantage of it. Again, I'm not selling for them. I've just bought a lot of plants from them. I hope you guys have a great night. CHM Carnivores. Take care. It's good talking with you. See you soon. Bye-bye.